This tiny Japanese camper starts with one of the smallest truck platforms on the road. Yet CoastLine turns it into a 4-person cab-over camper with sleeping space, a compact kitchen, cooling equipment, solar charging support, and exterior utility features. This is the CoastLine Fabula, and the real question is how much true camping function can fit into something this small without wasting the limited space it starts with. Car Hub, your trusted guide to the world of motorhomes and campervans. The CoastLine Fabula is a compact Japanese cab-over camper built by CoastLine on the Suzuki Carry platform. It was publicly shown in Japan in 2025 and sold as a purpose-built camper conversion with a listed vehicle price of 4,600,000 yen. Underneath, the Fabula starts with the Suzuki Carry Kei truck, and that tiny base is what makes this camper so interesting. In published base truck specifications, the Carry measures 3,395 millimeters in overall length, 1,475 millimeters in width, and 1,765 millimeters in height. The wheelbase is 1,905 millimeters, and ground clearance is listed at 160 millimeters. On the standard truck, the cargo bed measures about 1,940 millimeters in length and roughly 1,405 to 1,410 millimeters in width, depending on version. Those are the donor platform dimensions before the camper body changes the vehicle above the cabin bed. Power comes from Suzuki's 658 cubic centimeters R06A gasoline engine. It is a water-cooled 3-cylinder DOHC 12-valve VVT unit rated at 37 kilowatts or 50 PS at 5,700 revolutions per minute, with maximum torque of 59 Newton-meters at 3,500 revolutions per minute. Fuel capacity is 34 liters, and it runs on regular gasoline. Transmission and drivetrain choices are also part of the published spec picture. The Carry platform is available with a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic, and with 2WD or part-time 4WD depending on configuration. Public coverage of the Fabula also identifies the camper as being offered with both 2WD and 4WD platform choices, along with manual and automatic transmission availability. From the outside, the Fabula combines compact size with practical camping hardware. CoastLine highlights a clean front design, a compact rear design, an awning, side-mounted external power access, side-mounted shower equipment, and a rear slide-out storage section. That rear storage area gives the camper a separate space for handling gear, which matters even more in a vehicle this small. Instead of wasting the exterior, CoastLine uses it to add real utility features that support camping use away from home. Inside, the Fabula is built around 4 main living functions: bed mode, a pop-up table, a compact kitchen, and interior lighting. The seating area converts into a flat sleeping surface for bed mode. The pop-up table creates a usable space for meals or general camper use. The kitchen includes a sink, refrigerator, and preparation surface for basic food handling inside the cabin, while interior lighting completes the main day-to-night setup. The layout is also designed for travel use. Public coverage states that the Fabula uses forward-facing seats, and the layout can support child seat use. When the vehicle is parked, that same seating zone becomes part of the sleeping configuration. That gives the camper a clear split between travel mode and camping mode without needing a large body. Capacity is one of the key points of the Fabula. It seats 4 people and sleeps 2 adults plus 2 children. That sleeping arrangement is made possible by the convertible interior and the overcab structure, allowing multiple sleeping positions without relying on a large, fixed rear bed. For a K-truck-based camper, that is one of the most important packaging advantages in the whole design. What makes the Fabula stand out is not just that it adds camper gear to a K-truck, but that it tries to balance road use, family seating, sleeping space, utility equipment, and off-grid support in one extremely small package. A lot of micro-campers can look clever in photos, but the Fabula's published layout is clearly aimed at making the vehicle useful in both everyday travel and actual camping situations. That is why the Fabula feels less like a novelty build and more like a serious attempt to turn a micro truck into a practical camper. The kitchen is one of the central functions in the published layout. CoastLine's product material shows a compact cooking and utility area with a sink and work surface, designed to fit inside the small body without taking away the main seating and bed conversion area. In a camper this size, every surface has to justify its place, and the kitchen is designed to do that. Cooling, ventilation, and refrigeration equipment are also part of the standard living setup. CoastLine lists a quiet 12-volt cooler, an electric ventilator, and a refrigerator among the key standard appliances. For a camper built on such a small truck platform, that gives it a more complete camping package than the size alone might suggest. The electrical system is another major part of the Fabula's equipment. CoastLine lists a 3,000-watt inverter, a charging system that works while driving and from external input, and a solar charging system. That means the Fabula supports onboard power conversion, charging while the vehicle is in motion, charging from outside power when parked, and solar-assisted charging support as part of its off-grid setup. So, when you put it all together, the Fabula starts with the tiny Suzuki Carry K-truck base and turns it into a widened, compact cab-over camper with extra upper living space above the cab. It combines seating for 4, sleeping space for 2 adults and 2 children, a convertible bed layout, a pop-up table, a compact kitchen, interior lighting, exterior utility access, rear slide storage, cooling and ventilation equipment, refrigeration, inverter power, drive charging, external charging, and solar charging support. Main specs in one clean run. CoastLine Fabula, built on the Suzuki Carry. Base vehicle length 3,395 millimeters. Width 1,475 millimeters. Height 1,765 millimeters. Wheelbase 1,905 millimeters. Ground clearance 160 millimeters. Base cargo bed length about 1,940 millimeters. Base cargo bed width about 1,405 to 1,410 millimeters. Engine 658 cubic centimeters water. Cooled 3-cylinder DOHC 12-valve VVT gasoline. Output 37 kilowatts or 50 PS. Torque 59 Newton meters. Fuel tank 34 liters. Transmission availability 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Drivetrain availability 2, WD or part-time 4 WD. Passenger capacity 4. Sleeping capacity 2 adults and 2 children. Standard camper equipment includes a quiet 12-volt cooler, electric ventilator, refrigerator, 3,000-watt inverter, driving and external charging system, solar charging system, pop-up table, bed mode, compact kitchen, interior lighting, exterior power and shower equipment, and rear slide storage. Listed vehicle price 4,600,000 yen. Would you actually travel in a camper this small, or is this where compact RV design starts to feel too tight? Comment below with your answer and tell me which Japanese camper or motorhome you want to see next on Car Hub.